Hi guys, we're at MWC 2016 and we are taking a first look at the LG X Cam. This smartphone was announced ahead of MWC just earlier this month, and what's special about this smartphone is the fact that it has two rear camera sensors. There's a primary 13 megapixel sensor and a secondary wide angle 5 megapixel sensor, and we're going to get to what these cameras do just in a bit. Another interesting feature of the LG X Cam is the fact that it features tapered glass. So if you see here, the glass tapers towards the top and the bottom edge, leading to a very interesting look, and it looks quite premium. It's made of aluminum and it's also very slim with a profile measuring just 5.2 mm. You get polished rims along the sides. And just coming to the port and button placement, above the display is where you'll see the front 8 megapixel camera, the notification LED sensors and the earpiece. Below the display you get LG branding, and the Android controls are present as on-screen navigation keys. Moving over to the right side is where you'll find the power button. On the left you'll see a volume rocker, and just below that you will find an ejectable tray. You can't see it very well here, and that holds the SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot. Towards the top you have just the secondary microphone, and at the bottom you will find the 3.5 mm audio jack, primary microphone and the micro USB port. The display on offer is a 5.2 inch full HD unit, and as you can see it looks really sharp and clear. It's also very smooth. At the back you see the big module on top which holds both the dual cameras, and you also have an LED flash. You have some LG branding as well as a loudspeaker grill. So the LG X Cam runs Android 6.0 Lollipop overlaid with LG's custom UI. It offers 16 GB of internal storage that's expandable via micro SD, and on this demo unit there's 10.66 GB available. The processor on core is an octa-core chipset which is clocked at 1.44 GHz, and you also get a 2520 milliamp battery for power. The RAM on offer is 2 GB. Now we're just going to give you a quick tour of the camera UI just to show you what the dual cameras offer. So as you can see here, now we have the camera open with just in just the regular mode, and if I tap on the wide angle mode you can see that the entire scene becomes much wider because the secondary 5 megapixel wide angle camera has been activated. Just to give you another look, that's the normal mode and that's the wide angle mode. So that's it for our first look at the LG X Cam. We don't have any details on its availability and pricing in India, but we will update you when we have them. Stay tuned to our 91 Mobile's YouTube channel for more coverage on all that's happening at MWC 2016, and thanks for watching.